Okay, in this video, we will discuss that how can we have different languages in HMI of TIA portal. So we do not have any concern with the this ladder logic. We will have concern with this HMI. Okay, first of all, what you have to do? First of all, you have to come to the this project languages. Then you have to select the languages. For example, I have select the English language, Japanese, and Spanish. Now next come to the runtime settings. Here you have to select all these. Okay, here you have to select all these three languages. Now means in languages and font you have to select these three languages or whatsoever you have languages in, but whatsoever you want to select the languages. Now come towards the root screen. So so come towards the toolbar and select this text to the here. And so here you can see that I have given the title as this text field as this is English language. Then come towards the properties of this text field and come towards the here. So here we have three parts. When in English, this will be like this is the English language. Now here we have to write this is a Spanish language, this is Japanese, and this is a Spanish language. So now you can see that what is in the Japan. Sorry. So here you can see that in the Spanish language, we used to say this code. Okay, this is a Spanish. So this is the code in the Spanish language. So what you have to do, just so have you got that each text field you have to change these languages. In English it will be written as in English. In Japanese, this code, this text should be written. You have to write here as a Japanese language. And for the Spanish, you have to write this code whatsoever text field, whatsoever your code, whatsoever your text, you have to write it in Spanish language. And now come to the next, and this is single text field. Whatsoever text fields in your HMI, you have to change all these. Okay, so here you can see that I have taken this button and give the name as link language change. Okay, and here we have to give the tag as come towards its properties and come towards its events, give the tag as set language. So this is a toggle, and whenever you click this language button, change language button, so it will change the language from English to Japanese. Then again you click it, it will change the Spanish, whatever the sequence is. It will change according to this sequence, English, Spanish, and Japanese. Whenever you click it once, are you getting this thing? Here now you can see that I have taken another button and give the name as English. So whenever you click it, so let's see what will happen. Set the language and language to zero order. From the I came up here and select the integer and give the value is equals to 0. Let's see here why I have given, because order of this language is 0. For the Spanish I have to choose here a 1, and for the Japanese I have to choose the integer 2. Okay, I will create two more buttons. So whenever you click on the English button, it will generate all your HMI as a English in English language. So here now you can see that for the Japanese language, I have given the integer as a 2 and for the Spanish as the 1. So now you can see here for the order of the Spanish is a 1 and for the Japanese is 2. So according to this, you have to create. Okay, now very last thing is left, that whenever you click on, for example, in English, this button text, this is English text should be shown as English. Okay, for the Japanese, it should not show the text, it should show the English as well. And for this in the Spanish, if the whole project is in Spanish language, but our this button should be shown in the show the title as English in the English language. So have you got that what I mean whenever this is English and this is a button where text is English. So whatsoever language is in your HMI, so in Japanese still this button will show the English, either it is on either it is off. Similarly for the Japanese, these all the things, and you can consider these all the things. Okay, One thing more, that as like this text, it is changing its state, it is changes its means. In Japanese it will become like this in the Japanese language. In Spanish language it will be considered as a Spanish. So if you want that, but the text of these buttons should be changes. So yes, you can change English here in Japanese language, and you can in Spanish means you can change these things. Okay, it's up to you. Now next what you have to do, you just have to start the simulation. Let's see the results. Okay, now you can see here this is the English language initially. Now click here, it will change it into the Spanish. If again it will change into the Japanese, because this is the toggle switch. Now click on English, your language of HMI will become the English language. When you click on the Spanish button, so this it will the text will become the whole text, mean the text will become in the Spanish language. When you click on the Japanese button, so it will become in the Japanese language. So now you seen that what is the problem here, why this text doesn't remain means now it become as a text, but when click here it will become the change language. Now let's solve this thing. So here you can see that when in our HMI there is a Japanese language, it will show the text. In Spanish it will show the text. So what you have to do, you just uh, first of all, which is language. Okay, now copy it and paste in these all. So have you seen that whatever, either it is a Japanese language, either it is a Spanish language, so this button will show the text of a language change. Now again simulate it. So now you can see that whenever you change the language, so it will toggle it, again press it, it will change the Japanese language. So the text will remain the same. Okay, are you getting this thing? So this is the task, this is our task today. Let's see further.